following up from my last post, naturally what I wanted to do now is we've gone through the process of, in terms of product, what we want to do with the product when we're basically doing the shampoo and conditions, and now what I'm going to do is show you how to just basically get the best blow dry out of your system. Naturally, everyone's got different styles. I know the popular one at the moment is in terms of the sort of the standard quiff. I think that's quite easy to do, but obviously everyone needs to just find what they're comfortable with in terms of basically doing a standard blow dry. I think in terms of what I've just said, I have just put this all over my head in terms of the Jorgen conditioner. Leave this in, it just basically gives extra moisture for the actual blow dry for when you're blow drying it, and it gives your hair an easy texture for when you're blow drying. So I personally would stay away, at best, if you can stay away from using the round brush. Solely on the fact that sometimes that can basically be quite hard wearing on the hair when you're blow drying. I basically start off with a standard hair dryer and just start with a rough blow dry just to get basically the maximum of the moisture out of the hair, just to get it down to more of a blow dryable level. There you go, guys. So hair fully dry. Actually, as you can see, absolutely no lift there. Perfect hold. Hair's feeling really nice and moistured now in terms of the conditioning spray and the conditioning shampoo I used. I'm thoroughly impressed by it. Now, in terms of product, everyone's different. I personally, when I'm using basically come to styling, I don't like to overly indulge in products just because I just basically find it easier to maintain when I come to wash my hair. Everyone's completely different. Everyone wants something in terms of a stronger hold, a looser hold, something a bit more natural, something a bit more freeze. As you see in this picture, I've gone for something a little bit more natural because I just think it's basically, we want maximum natural look. So what I do is use the Hair System Manchester Argan Oil, which I think is a really strong product to use. It just basically gives my hair a little bit of texture without at the same time of losing that natural effect. And then what I do is just run my hands through the product, through my hair, with a nice fine finish, just to give it again that natural look. And then if you want to, which I'm going to, is just add a little bit of blow dry just to curve the ends off with the oil in there. Okay, so I think that's me done for the day. I'm now all ready for my day. Hair was a quick 10-minute blow dry, nothing heavy, just as real as having your own hair. So guys, thanks for watching my video, more to come. If you have any questions about anything to do with the HQ at Hair for All, give us a message, we'll be keen to answer. And if you have anything independently you want to ask me, follow me on Instagram. My name's Lewis Bittle. Thanks for watching, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.